welcome to the TMC Newsroom. My name is Rich Tarani, and I am down here at CTIA 2011 in Orlando, Florida. And on our program, we have two guests. We've got Sean McFall with Aviat Networks and Manish Gupta with Symmetricon. Gentlemen, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Good to be here.
So you've announced some things at the show. You're showing some things here, and I'm curious if you could tell us more.
We've jointly announced our relationship as part of Symmetricon's launch in the ecosystem program called SyncWorld. This is a program that will enable interoperability between various equipment that enable synchronization to be delivered in the mobile backhaul space for LTE deployments and beyond. We're excited with this relationship, and the ecosystem program will help the operators reduce risk and improve the time to market.
Now, we know that mobile backhaul is becoming a crucial part of just the entire wireless equation. It's been this way for 5 years, as we know that the amount of bandwidth that users are using is just going up exponentially, due in part to smart devices, due in part to video, due in part to tablets, and 3D videos coming. And so we know that this is only going to become a more connected world, and as that happens, we're going to need more and more backhaul, including microwave and all different kinds of backhaul. So I was hoping you could talk a little bit about just the importance of synchronization and how the market is looking going forward.
Historically, the backhaul market was only served in a TDM fashion, and the synchronization was fairly straightforward. As the backhaul has evolved and Carrier Ethernet has become an important protocol supported in backhaul, the synchronization link is sort of broken from the central office all the way to the base stations. So now there is a need for multitasking in the backhaul environment. You need to ensure that TDM and packet-based infrastructure are both supported. You need to make sure that frequency stabilization exists on the edge. You need to make sure that phase is supported as required by 3GPP for LTE, TDD, and then eventually for LTE Advanced. That complexity creates opportunity. Complexity is required, as you said, from a content and application standpoint for it to meet the standards, as well as in case of challenges with the fundamental architecture of synchronization, which is based on GPS, in case of interference, whether it be done because of somebody has jammed it, spoofed it, or because of inherent interference from other infrastructure that perhaps may be close, as we know from some of the discussions in the environment now around LightSquared deployment to be. So synchronization is important, and we have got products and technologies that are supporting the carriers' needs.
Great. Now, what are customers telling you about what's happening, and potential customers? Have you had a chance to talk with them?
Yeah, absolutely. So the customers need to support what the standards require. The customers need to support what the end users require from a quality of service and service continuity standpoint. So they need to have timing and synchronization that enables the delivery of uninterrupted video, voice, and other data services. The ecosystem program that makes it low risk for them to deploy this. The ecosystem program that the SyncWorld is, that pulls the solutions together, helps get to market quicker. And the synchronization technology that we bring to market enables them to work around some of the challenges that might be with GPS interference.
So Sean, what's your perspective on what's happening in the market in this announcement?
Well, you touched on key points for us. One was the capacity requirements, and we're a wireless vendor. We offer a wireless backhaul solution. The continued drive we have is to create more bandwidth capability in the wireless backhaul solution itself. We're going to do that with a variety of wireless-oriented techniques. We've got a number of new products. We're showing some of that in conjunction with Symmetricon here today. But we also have a move towards all IP-based technologies in the future. And as we do that, the importance of synchronization takes on some new dimensions. So we felt it was an important topic. We think it's been under-discussed in the industry in general. I think we have a technology leader in synchronization and timing at Symmetricon, and one of the technology leaders in wireless backhaul, and I think it makes sense for us to join forces and help to explain the topic and help to get the point across, plus prove that we have interoperable solutions here. And that's really the focus of our demonstration, is we've already done some work, published some white papers on this topic, and let people know that this is a solution that can be successfully deployed.
So the goal is, as carriers have more of a demand to just deal with their backhaul challenges, to give them a I guess, one-stop shop for more of their solutions.
Well, maybe not so much a one-stop shop, but at least to know for sure that there are technical solutions there that are robust, that they work. We want carrier-grade systems, we want carrier-grade backhaul. I think cellular networks have had, the image of not being the most robust from a user experience standpoint. And you don't want that to get worse, you want that to get much, much better. Meanwhile, you're pouring on applications, you're pouring on video, you're pouring on more stress on the network with the fantastic tools that people have in their hands. And I think it's important that the networks, we take these problems and provide solutions to the operator customers. And that's what we're trying to do.
Now, if somebody wants to find out more about this news, how would they go about doing that?
Well, for both of our websites, there's easy places, symmetricom.com.
And aviatnetworks.com, very simple.
Great. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. This was fantastic. Good luck.